Really?
Yeah.
You get really close and you.
Yeah, just grab onto it. Act like you wanted to prove Tori's fault. That watermelon's going out of there.
Right.
Yes, it is.
Think of it.
Yeah, open that door and show me. Come on,
I can open it. Why did you open it? That feels weird. It don't actually hurt, but it goes.
Just hold on to it and it's gonna like start shaking your hand and you let go.
Don't touch the water.
No.
You was sticking your finger in there earlier. Apparently it didn't shock
got
you.
it right down into my nail. Tori, you gotta try the door.
No,
It's
man.
like-
I've done got
Does it
shocked.
hurt?
No, it goes.
I've already got shocked
It doesn't
twice.
shock you.
No, it doesn't shot. It makes your hand go numb.
I know what it feels like. Okay, don't touch me.
No.
Just in case you're already.
I do this. I can't put my finger on my
John,
top.
go touch it. Go touch it, John.
What are you
It
doing?
feels weird. It makes my hand go numb.
Is it funny?
Yeah. Like, look, this is what I did the first time. Take your
Hey,
finger
just touch the refrigerator.
and touch the back of the door.
John, just touch the refrigerator. The refrigerator don't shock you?
Yeah, if you like feel it, it's kind of like trying to, but not that.
Oh, yeah, not there.
Okay, now touch the handle. Grab the handle.
No, grab it. I dare you. You want me to grab it?
Yeah, yeah.
That feels weird. It's like shocking me right here. You gotta try that, dude. It hurts like right here.
Move, Blake, I can't see you.
Yeah, it hurts right here. It feels like your bone's shaking.
Blake, I can't see. Is it like not or
It
something?
is. It's shaking your bone, dude. It shakes your bone. That's what it feels like. Just do it. I did it. It don't hurt whenever you first start. You grab it really fast. Just grab it. Grab it.
Stop being a poon and grab it.
John! It don't hurt that bad.
Yeah.
Blake, go stick your hand in the water. Just go. I did it. I did it. I did it, and I didn't even know it was gonna shock me. I woke up this morning and the kitchen was like this, and then I just put my finger
So
in
I
the
know
water.
it's gonna shock me.
I know. That's why you should be more aware. I was not aware.
I'd rather be not aware than be aware.
Did that really hurt? The door handle?
No, dude.
It's
feels
okay,
like,
Blake.
It's like above one side of you.
Blake.
Start shaking it body. Hold on.
Just stick your finger in the water.
No, do both of them. Put your hand on here and stick your hand in the water.
Oh.
Shit. No, no.
Ow.
Feel my arm. Tell me if it's shocking. You feel it shaking? Oh my gosh. You cannot feel that?
No, it's not shaking.
Right here it is.
Did it look like it's shaking you?
You're like
Feel
immune
like
to
it.
it. Stick your hand in the water.
No, no. Feel
Just
it,
do
John.
it. John, you stick your hand in the water.
No, I don't did.
Blake, you haven't stuck your hand in the water yet. Just do it. Just
Yeah, I
stick your hand in freaking water.
I want to my hand in the water.
I did it.
Did you even get me doing the door?
Yeah. I've been recording y'all. Here, put your finger in the water.
Just grab the door.
I did.
Tori, grab the door.
I'm not grabbing-
Feel this awesome sensation.